Hello again, my most amazing artists. Today we are going to be talking a little bit about snowflakes. Today we are going to try to make a snowflake by collaging some strips of paper. Collage means to cut and to glue. We can also tear paper when we collage or other materials. But today in my art class, we are going to be making a snowflake. So let's see how we do that. Okay, so here on the desk, we are seeing a few supplies. So I have a square of blue paper, I have scissors and a glue stick, and I have some strips of paper. Now, most snowflakes have 6 sides, and they're usually the same on this side as they are on this side. When we're talking about something that's the same on both sides, we're talking about a word known as symmetry. So we're going to be creating some symmetry in our art today. I'm going to try to get my first strip glued down into the center of my paper. I'm going to use my glue stick, and if you have trouble opening your glue stick, you can ask for help. I'm going to use the edge, and I'm going to add glue along the back. And like I said, most snowflakes have 6 sides. So I'm going to be picking 6 colors that I really like, and I'm going to put one, actually, I think first, I'm going to aim from this corner to this corner, making sure there's about the same amount of space on this side as there is on this side. Oh, that's showing me I need to scoot it down. Let's check again. That side, that's pretty close. So now I'm going to press and make sure that that is secure to my paper. Now I'm going to pick another color that I want to lay on, and I know that I want 6 sides, so I'm going to pick the colors I think I might use and lay them out where I think they look good and they look even on all sides. Here I can see that this space is a little bit bigger than this space over here, so I want to turn it to where it looks like they're going to be even. Okay, so this is where I'm going to glue mine down. So I'm just going to move this out of my way for just a second. I'm going to try not to lose my place. Add some glue to the back, right along that line. Make sure you're using enough. I'm going to try to line that back up where I had it before and make sure that that's where it's supposed to go. So I'm checking it with this other piece before I push it down really good. Okay, and I have one more strip to add. Now, all snowflakes are unique and different. No 2 snowflakes are alike. So that being said, your snowflake does not need to look like your neighbor's snowflake, and it doesn't even need to look like my snowflake. But whatever I do to one branch, I'm also going to do to the other 5. So I have this started, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another strip, and this time I'm going to do something different. I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to fold it in half again. Now, when I crease really well on both sides of that, so I'm pinching, if I open it, I should see those marks, and I can cut on those lines, and that will give me 4 pieces that are the same. Now, be careful that you don't cut too close to your fingers. Okay, so now I can then take these pieces and I can attach them onto my snowflake in 2 different places. Now, most snowflakes are white, but today we're going to make some really colorful, vibrant snowflakes. And I hope you have fun doing this. So again, whatever I do to this side, I must do to all 5 of them. We want it to be symmetrical. That means this branch is going to have to look like the other branches. Now, if you look at your strips of paper, sometimes they're more colorful on one side than they are the other, so make sure you have the side that you like best up. And I'm just going to continue to work my way around, and you will see me doing that on my snowflake, and you'll see the other details that I add. I could fold and I could break this into 8 pieces instead of just 4. How do I do that? I just continue to fold. So I fold it in half. If I want a longer piece, I could use this. So let's say I wanted to add an extra one in the middle. I fold it in half again. That's going to give me 4. So I folded it one more time, crease it. Now if I fold it one more time, I know they're small, that's going to give me 8. Again, I can open that and cut right along that edge. So you're going to see me add some details to my snowflake. The video will probably speed up a little bit here, and you will see me finish my snowflake winter masterpiece. Have fun making your art. I can't wait to see what you come up with. And I hope we all have a wonderful winter break. Okay, friends. So I just finished my colorful snowflake. I really hope that you enjoy making your snowflakes as well. Remember, each branch should look like the branch on the other side. Here I used whole pieces and I glued those down first. I used 3 strips to create 6 lines because they meet in the middle. Then I folded one strip of paper in half twice. And when I cut that, it gave me 4 pieces that I was then able to glue here and here. That was 2 pieces. And here and here. That was my other 2 pieces. If I fold it in half 2 more times, so that's 4 times, if I do that, I can get 8 small pieces. And you do not have to make yours look like mine. You can add branches in different ways. Remember though, it must be symmetrical. So be sure that this branch looks like this branch and all the rest. Have fun, my most amazing artists. I'll see you next week.